Hey guys, good morning. It's already it's already 11 a.m. I just woke up, well, kind of around 10:30. I didn't go to bed until like 3 o'clock last night, like 3 in the morning, so kind of slept in today, but it's because I was up till late editing the video. I meant to put that up yesterday, like during the day, but I didn't end up putting it up until like 3 this morning, so but it's up. Vlogmas day 1. So I'm just going to be cleaning up a little bit today. Tomorrow's Monday, so just want to start the work week well, you know, all organized, like meals prepped and all that. So yeah, and then we also have a cookie order due on Tuesday, so we have to get started on that. Make the dough, like chill the dough, and then cut out the cookies and all that jazz. So we're gonna be working on that too, but then I think we're also have to, my dad wants to finish putting up all the Christmas lights, so we're gonna have to do that as well. So there's a lot to do today, but yeah, so I got a few things to do, so I'm gonna get started with my day even though it's already 11 o'clock. And somehow in between all that I have to edit yesterday's vlog, so I need to get started with my day. Hi baby. Hi, Dukes. Are you sleeping? Time to wake up, girl. You've been sleeping all night. Hi, baby cheat. Rude. She is so rude sometimes. It's okay, because I'm going to get in your face anyways. She's so tired. My baby. Coffee time. ¿Qué estás haciendo, ma? ¿Qué estás cocinando? Fricacho. Sifting the flour is my least favorite part of doing cookie dough. We have to do a double batch, so I'm gonna sift 6 cups of flour. Double batch done. Now I have to put these in a plastic wrap and put it in the fridge to chill for a little bit. Hi, baby.
Yes.
Yes.
What happened?
What happened?
I don't know. You tell me.
Do you already know the drill or no?
Alright. I'm glad you told me because I'm at the lake, so I'll get
I
ice.
like literally I forgot. I almost forgot. Yes, please. But the ones from Giant are too big. There isn't smaller ones there, huh?
Yeah, you should have told me earlier.
Dang it. Okay, I guess that I'll just have to do. I'll just tell them it was my fault.
I'll just go to CVS. They have smaller ones there.
They have ice there?
Yeah.
Have you seen it there?
I bought it from there before.
Oh, okay, yeah. Then why don't you always get it from there?
Because for that price, might as well get a big one for that.
Oh, true. Thank you, darling.
Alright, baby. Love you.
Love you too. Bye, baby. Luis is always literally getting the ice for our house because our ice machine doesn't work, so we always, like, whenever we have a get-together or whatever, he always bring ice. But so my mom invited over my aunt and stuff for like a late lunch. It's around like 2:30 right now, and we're gonna have one of my favorite soups, which is called fricassé. It's like pork with like, it's like spicy but in like a soup form. I don't know, it's hard to explain, and it has like this thing called mote, which is like corn that's like soaked. I don't really know how to explain it, but it's really, really good. I'll show you guys what it looks like when we're ready to eat. But yeah, so we're just having we have my aunt over right now, and I think one of our family friends is gonna come over as well. But yeah, so I was just calling Luis to tell him to bring some ice. It's like he knew what I was calling him for, so that's what was funny. But anyways, yeah, so I'm just gonna be chilling. So we're just gonna be chilling today, really. I mean, I feel like this vlog might be a little short just because we really don't have much going on today. It's more of a chill day. Well, we do have a lot going on, but it's just I've been busy that I haven't even been vlogging. So we put up the Christmas lights already, so we're gonna check later when it gets darker out, obviously, like how the lights look like. because we have those like little spotlights that, not spotlights, but well, yeah, they're spotlights with a bunch of little dots that like rotate around. So we kind of have to like in the dark see how they're positioned so that we can fix them and whatnot. So we're just waiting for it to get a little bit darker to fix all that. So we'll see. But yeah, so we're about to have a late lunch and just hang out with family for a bit. But then we have to start meal prepping for this week's lunches and start baking our batch of cookies. So delicious. So excited. Hi, Matheus.
Step on my back.
Step on his back. He just sat on you. Oh my goodness.
Step on my back.
The Christmas tree looks so pretty.
There you go.
There you go.
You can walk over.
Step on his back, Matheus. He wants you to walk on his back.
Yeah, just walk on my back.
Here, you can hold on to me. Hold on to me. And step on his back. There you go. You gonna jump again? Yeah. He's dancing. Does that feel better? Does that feel better?
Yeah.
Jump again. He's not cracking anything though. I'm sure he's light as a feather.
Yeah, he's light.
There you go.
After my toy, he can play. Please come on, play with me.
Come on, Luis, play with me. This is our Christmas tree this year. It looks a little slanted, but it's so pretty. We went with the blue bulbs.
Oh, you that one out?
I think so. Look how sparkly these are.
What are you doing? I thought we were going to watch a movie.
Luis, play with me. Play with me.
I like this movie.
Ooh, he's getting frustrated. Oh my god, he couldn't pretend any longer. Bless you. These two are always going at it. Dramas. Look at that face. He won. He's the champion.
His turn. Now it's his turn.
Are you getting the sniffles?
Well, wait, no, you have it then. Now you have it.
You have
I already got it, now your turn.
Someone's here. I'm the third wheel here with these two. This is why you asked me to come over?
Duh.
I'm literally here all by myself. And these two are all cuddled up. Matheus. Someone KO'd. He's out. Out. Yeah, he taped everything. Here are lights. It looks so pretty. Our dead little trees. Sure. It's not that cold. It is cookie time. We are cutting the cookies so that we can bake them, obviously, but we're gonna put them in the freezer for a little bit once they're cut out, and then put them in the oven for 375. This is such a cute design. I really like this one. It's my fave. So cute. And Gabs is prepping our meals for the week, and then we're gonna make some asparagus with that. So yeah, this is gonna keep us busy for next hour. So it's already really late. It's 8:35. So it's gonna be a long night. So all our cookies are done. These are all the cookies we're working on. These are some of our Christmas samples. And then we have the royal icing going over there. Gabby is cooking up the asparagus. This is one chicken tender version she made with like oregano and stuff when we broiled it. That's why it looks a little burnt, but it's okay. Anything overcooked means extra crispy. And then she also made these chicken tenders with almond flour and like a bunch of other seasonings, but it's really, really good. So I'm so excited for our lunches this week. They're gonna be really tasty. So now we're here taking some pictures of this cookie. This little gingerbread man. He's gonna be up on our Instagram tomorrow. This is our little setup. So I bought this from Amazon. It's just like a bounce, to bounce the light. This Diva ring light is from DVE store. Sorry, I'm whispering because my parents are sleeping. These little ornaments we got from Target. This little wreath from Target as well. Just to kind of like set up our pictures for our Instagram account. Alright guys, I'm going to call it a night. It is 11:09 already and tomorrow is a work day. So I'm going to hit my bed and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.